Good morning everyone. In this video, I will explain about my project. First, we have to click on the PC. After that, here some folders are there. You can see criminal identification folder. Here different type of folders are there. In this folder, code of our project is available. Now, I will explain something about my project. Now first we have to introduce myself and about the team members. Good morning everyone. My name is Satish Kumar and my college name is Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology. It's Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. The title of my project is Criminal Face Detection System. My name is Satish Kumar. I am a team leader of this group. In my group, 4 members are available. First, Satish Kumar, whose roll number is 20MT180561. Next, Rahul Kumar, whose roll number is 20MT180556. Next, Ankit Kumar Pandey, whose roll number is 20MT180551. Next, Om Prakash, whose roll number is 20MT180554. I created this project under the guidance of D. Ravisankar sir. Basically, criminal face detection system is an application. Now, I am going to explain all over the applications. First, abstract of our application is the criminal face detection system is an application. This application is used to face identification. Our project contains some methodology like as existing system. Under the existing system, I done pre-processing and face detection, and under the proposed system, I done hard cascade algorithm for face detection and LBPH algorithm for face recognition. These all methodologies implemented in 2 ways. First stage is detect the human face in the image using Viola-Jones algorithm. The next stage is detect the face in the image is recognized using a fusion of principle. Now I will explain some problem statement of this application. First, there is no dedicated criminal face detection system. There is no consulting things regarding criminal face detection system. Now I will explain aim and objective of this application is to provide a fast detections of criminal in a mean time. Next, to remove the complexity from the image. Now I will explain existing system of this application is. This application helps police department to store the record and data about a criminal, but this application won't help in finding those criminals. Disadvantage of the criminals and advantage I will explain in next time. Next I will explain about the proposed system. This project is aimed to develop an application called real-time criminal identification system. The victim's face organs like eye, ears, nose shows important role to recognize the face of the criminals in any difficult conditions. Next, here I will recognize face of criminal by the photo matching and video stream. Now I am going to show code of our application. You have to click on the DB handler. Here show more options. You click on this. Edit with IDE. After this is the code of database handler. These are all the code of database handler. Next, this is our next folder. through this code we can easily establish connection with the database. These all are code helps to establish the connection with the database. Next, this is the code of face recognition. This code helps to recognize the face of the criminal. Next, through this code we can create the registration page. This code helps to the page creation. For showing the execution of our program, first we have to go on human page. You can click on it. After that you click on run button. Then I will click on registered criminal. Here you can enter detail of criminal. Name Rajesh Kumar. Father's name Naresh Mehta. Mother's name Sita Devi. gender male, date of birth 07/04 1986. Blood group A plus. Identification mark mole on face, nationality Indian, religion Hindu, crimes done robbery, after that you can select image. Here you have to select minimum 5 images, then you click on the register button. Now I am going to select minimum 5 image. Then you can click open button. Here it is showing 5 images. First image, second, third, fourth, fifth. If you will click on register button, then all images inserted into the database. Here it is showing criminal registered successfully. After that you click on OK button. After that, for recognize the criminal, you can click on detect criminal. Next, select image. Now one thing you remember here, whatever the image you taken, all image inserted into the database. If you will take that image for recognition purpose, it will show name of that criminal. First I select one photo, click on open button. After that I click on recognize. It is showing this is criminal because this photo available in our database. Next, if you will take other image which is not inserted into the database, then it will show this is not criminal. Randomly I am taking one image. Here it is showing this is not a criminal because these photo are not available in our database. Now I will explain video surveillance. You can click on video surveillance. Here my own photos also given into the database, that's why it is showing criminal. Now we can say that our application is working correctly. Now I will explain advantage of our application. It helps police to find criminal easily. It required very less manpower and cost of the operations is very less. In these applications, the information cannot be manipulated or lost and data will be saved. This application can recognize face in different lighting conditions with high accuracy. Now I will talk about design. I used here following things for designing purpose, like as use case diagram, next sequence diagram, activity diagram, class diagram. Now I will talk about system requirement. First, hardware system configuration. Processor Platinum 4, RAM 4 GB minimum, hard disk 20 GB, keyboard standard Windows keyboard, mouse 2 or 3 button mouse, monitor SVGA. Next, software requirement. Operating system Windows 7 Ultimate, coding language Python. Now I will say conclusion of our project. We aim to enhance facial recognition capability by the using a combination of LVPH classifier and Fisher face algorithm. If I will talk about future work, for the future work, effort can be made to additional features like whenever an unknown person is recognized, his image are stored into the dataset, and system alert can be included if an intruder in the detected. Now thank you.